Hey guys, welcome back to Frances Quilts. Now last week we were at the International Quilt Festival in Houston, Texas, and had a walk around and looked at some of the wonderful machine quilting that was there. Today, as you can see, we're back in the Frances Quilt studio, but there's still more free motion quilting that I want to show you. Now when my husband watched the video from last week, he said, wow, that's a great video, except you use the words amazing and wonderful and stupendous over and over and over. Well, that's because that's how I feel about this free motion quilting. Let's go have a look at a few more of the quilts today. The first quilt that we're looking at is Arabesque, and this is actually a mixture of machine quilting and hand quilting. But what I love about it is the trapunto work that's been done here. It's just amazing to see what you can do with some fabric and some thread without anything else added to it. Next is Kaleidoscope Garden. You see, this is a pretty standard quilt, just a sampler quilt of some sort, but look at the quilting that's been added to bring these diagonals in. Just a really good example of what you can do to add yet another dimensional element to a quilt. Whirl is one that I saw at Paducah but couldn't get close enough to really look at the free motion quilting on it, so let's have a look now. Lots and lots of circles there. Now this is called I Saw Stars, but when I saw it, I saw mandala quilting designs. And those of you who have been around for a while know that this time last year I was madly trying to finish up my quilted mandala project. And looking at these, it makes me want to start another one. This Indian was part of a Brazilian exhibition, and it was so well done, and I love the quilting in the feathers. And then as we come back down into the face, we end up getting into a little more thread painting as opposed to quilting. The same goes for Forest Fish. Look at all of the different quilting designs and colors that she's added in here. I read that she used over 200 different threads and different colors of thread for this quilt. And boy, they each one add something different to the design. Capella Sistina. First of all, I love the picture, but then I appreciate especially the grid work that she's done in the background here. And as you get down more into the church itself, there's a lot of more thread painting as opposed to quilting. And Fret is completely thread painted. Let's look. Notice the difference in scale here with the quilting or the thread painting that has been done. It really goes a long way to accenting and being able to draw you into the piece so that you can see the different aspects of this very cute bear. Well, I didn't show you everything, but I hope you got a good feel for the machine quilting and the machine work that was at this quilt festival. As always, it was inspiring to see and a little bit daunting because I look at that and think I could never do that. But I have to give myself a break and say, okay, maybe I could do some of it. I just need to get organized and give it a try. How about you? Do you feel that way too? When you're watching this video, I'm actually in Scotland with my husband for a few days. And so when I return, I can't wait to get back in the studio and get to doing some quilting and some other things. I'm actually starting to feel that maybe my mojo is coming back a little bit. So it's time to get to the studio and get to work. And it's almost time for the release of my new class, Let's Get Scrappy. If you feel daunted by making scrap quilts, this is the class for you. It will take some of the overwhelm, it will take some of the decision fatigue out of making scrap quilts. And before you know it, all those scraps are going to be beautiful quilts. If you want more information, I'll leave a link in the description box where you can go and sign up to find out more. Well guys, thank you so much for joining me on this tour of the free motion quilting at the International Quilt Festival. Hope you can go sometime and have a look for yourself. As always, thank you so much for joining me here today, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Frances Quilts. Remember, if you like what you've seen, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please check out my website and daily blog at francesquilts.com, and I can be found on Facebook and Instagram at Frances Quilts. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope to see you again soon.